We're back at the NLC, where our team of technicians are still hard at work putting together an Audi A6 Avant from scratch, just so that you can see some of the really cool stuff that lies under the bonnet. Come on, let's take a look. Hey Josh, how you doing?
I'm good, you?
Not bad at all. Let's talk safety.
Yes.
Adaptive cruise control, what is that?
So, we've got two sensors in the front. What they'll do, they use a radar signal to detect how far away the car in front is. So what we do is, in comparison to normal cruise control, you'll set a speed. Whereas this will set a speed and a distance. So if the vehicle's travelling, let's say, 70 miles per hour on a normal cruise control, then it will just carry on at that speed. Whereas with this, it will maintain the distance. So if the vehicle in front decreases in speed, this vehicle will also do that to match that distance, so you don't gain any distance on the vehicle in front. And then what that will do going forward, if we just tip it here.
Yeah.
So this will go into basically where they're mounted in the actual bumper itself. So this is crucial for detecting the car in front. So if they're mounted at an angle, then it may not pick up that vehicle.
Right.
And then this will go onto the vehicle here. So we have these two connectors here, which are connected via a CAN signal. And then that will relay back to the car how far the vehicle in front is, and then it will adjust the speed accordingly.
So if I'm driving along,
yes,
say the kids are in the back and they're having a bit of a go at each other and they're shouting and they're screaming, and I'm like, boys, will you just be quiet? And I've not seen the car in front stop or slow down. This does it all for me.
Yeah, so that will detect if the car is gaining on the vehicle in front, so that will maintain your distance. And then it's also got a pre-sense system as well. It's got 4 different zones, so as you get closer, different things happen. So like the brake system will pre-charge, preempting that you're going to use the brakes, and then it will give you like a 30% braking force, a 50%, and then it will give you emergency brake if needed. Wow.
So will it actually bring you to a complete standstill if you really are that careless?
In the right situation, it can do, but it is an assistance system to help you and aid you. So there is a human element to it as well as.
And what if it applies that braking for you because you've been a bit careless yourself and the car behind you is actually being just as careless? Is there anything that Audi have to help you in that instance?
Yeah, so we've got radar sensors fitted at the rear. I can show you those and how they work if you like, if we go to the rear.
All right, so you've laid a couple out here. What have we got?
So we've got the same sensors as we've fitted on the front, but on the rear as well. What they do essentially is, well, we'll get it into position first. If you just hold that there, thank you.
Does this connect into here?
That's it, yeah, if you just connect it into there.
Oh, easy.
So what this will do, this will see if a vehicle behind's travelling too fast.
Right.
And then what that will do, that will activate the hazard lights. It will also reduce some of the slack in the belt. It will raise the windows up, and it will also raise the headrest if that's electronically operated too.
Just to brace the car for impact.
That's it, exactly that. And then if the vehicle then gets even further, closer to the rear of the bumper, it will then reduce all the slack in the belt to stop the passenger coming forward too much, and then brace for impact, basically.
Fantastic. So you're basically, if someone slows down in front, you're covered.
Yes.
If someone's going too fast behind, you're covered. Nice to know, isn't it? If you're having a bad day, someone else behind you's having a bad day, you're going to be an awful lot safer driving this car. Not at the moment, though. We've got so much more to add to it. So, Josh, you better carry on, and we'll see you next time.